Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff and I'm sweating. Because we're in the back of like a little cubby hole here and I don't think there's any air that blows on us. So, and my lovely wife Terry, I apologize.
Hello everyone. Do you want to tell them what we're doing? We're doing a reaction video.
Yeah, we just got a call and said that we're going to do a reaction video to this video and I don't know how you feel about it, but I'm kind of
This came from Jesse, so I'm nervous and actually scared.
I'm kind of scared, yeah,
because he does that.
He does that. And
so we don't know what to expect. So we're going to give our reactions. So you got to put that in your
good ear,
your left ear. Okay. Just bear with us here.
Yep.
This is the first reaction video that we've ever done.
Yeah, because we really
that I remember.
Right. I think
wait a minute. No, Jesse had me do. Me and Melissa did a.
That was like a porn vid or something you watched.
2 cup 1 girl thing or something.
Yeah.
It was absolutely disgusting. Oh gosh, I am nervous.
Well, what's the worst can happen? We give honest opinion, right? That's what we're here for.
Here it is.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's start, baby.
And the dogs.
You coming to join?
What do you got?
Sandwiches, we got nuts, we got these new Lay's layers, to where we're not sponsored by those.
Why do you have a blanket?
Oh, I thought we were going to snuggle later. Because my employee here, he hasn't been around, dude. We haven't filmed any videos.
I mean, you haven't been around, more like it.
Yeah, well, I thought you were supposed to follow me. Take a seat, Jeffrey, take a seat, please. Indulge me, indulge me.
This is already really scaring me now.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's my deposit receipt. That's good.
Oh,
Can you hear okay?
Yeah.
So yeah, I wanted to say a few things, kind of spit some real
Okay.
I don't think I ever got a chance to really thank you for like everything, like all the videos over the years. And it's been a lot. I don't think I've ever expressed it enough, like just how grateful I am to have you as a brother. No matter how many times I've asked for you to be in a vid or do whatever dumb like you're always down for whatever. Like you've always been down. If it wasn't for that, like we would have never been able to do all the crazy things we've done. Second series would not have been possible without having you, and a lot of the inspiration over the years, like you may not realize it, but I've always looked up to you. Whether it's like a bit about health or whether about like trying to work hard or try to, you know, impress dad or whatever. I feel like we've always been on that same page. Just thank you. For always being there for me, for believing in me enough to the point where it's probably not easy to let your little brother direct you around.
It wasn't always easy, no.
Yeah, but the fact that you're willingly to like, yeah, I trust he knows what he's doing, and I believe in whatever vision he has, whether it's my virtual escape or Psycho series or just all the devil inside stuff and all the times that we've gotten to spend together. I'm just glad we got to spend those times together.
Me too.
Because even though we weren't always close, the fact that over all these years, we've gotten to be close because of the videos, because of the audience, that I'll cherish forever. I'm just glad that we get to be close and nothing even comes in the way of us being close friends. Because no matter what, you know, I'm just glad to have you as a brother, and I'm super grateful that this is a thing. And so, yeah, wanted to show a token of my appreciation here.
Well, I appreciate that, and I feel the same. I'm glad that we, what are you doing?
That's thank you. That's for you, bro.
What the f is this?
That's real.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
That's not real.
Yeah, this is what the fake money looks like. So I know you like to call me out on that. So yeah, that's serious, man. Seriously, thank you for all your
help. You don't have to do that.
Hey, you didn't have to listen to my for the last 6-7 years. You never asked for anything in return. I feel like you deserve to get something out of all that. Even though it was probably not intended, you weren't doing it for that.
No.
But what really meant to me, the world to me, was even when Korn quit on the last day of Second Series. I was SOL. I didn't know what I was gonna do. I was bugging out, freaking out. I was like, the finale. Jeffrey stepped up and was like, bro, let's go. He didn't even hesitate. He's like, yeah, I got this.
I think I laughed. I was like, I quit.
Yeah, I think he did. And I was like, oh, but he was down, and then we crushed it. We crushed it, and it flowed. And to get to be on top of the mountain with my brother was like, this is the way it was supposed to go. But I always appreciate that.
Hey, come on here.
I love you. Love you too, man. And, you know, whatever happens to mom and dad and whatever, like, it's me and you, dude.
That's right.
And we gotta carry the Ridgway name and do what the can, man.
Although realistically, they'll outlive us. You did.
Yeah, dude. You work in finances, right? Like, you know how to count money and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I also can't believe that you went to the
It's all cash. It's all cash. Well, I feel like it's lame, but like, here's a check, or like we thought about like a big check, but even that's like, is it real? This is like, it's real.
These guys are the biggest part.
Do I just take this to the bank?
That's whatever you want to do with it. It's 50 grand. It's $50,000.
Jess, thank you very, very much. I don't know how to react.
That's a reaction.
Hey, Ashley.
Hi. Congrats.
Did you get a good picture of this?
I did.
Okay.
Yeah, we got rolling pictures. It's called film. You might need to sit with it in the case. You can keep the case too. It's pretty.
That's awesome.
Yeah, no, it is. And yeah, it's yours to do whatever you want with, you know.
Cool. You didn't have to do this.
That's what I'm saying for years, man. You have to do every time. Like, yo, you good for video? But yeah. Even like I was watching the behind the scenes of Sega Dead Destroys Xbox, and you're just like, yo, you phone? You're like, yeah, whatever. You could have just said no. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could have just been like, yeah, but whatever. But you always made sure to set time aside, even whatever, how much time it was. You made sure to make that happen. You might, yeah. I don't know what I would say.
They're just so
Yeah, so once
smart.
again, to reiterate, Jeffrey doesn't work for me. I am
Such
looking
great
for a
hearts
new
and
actual
very
McJuggernuggets cameraman.
empathetic
There's a video of
people
Jeffrey declining me, that's
Yes.
out, but then there's also
We're
some,
so
if you
proud
guys want to
and
watch the
we're
behind the
overwhelmed.
scenes of getting all this set up and preparing, check out the second channel. But bro, while you process this, let's keep bringing it one more time.
I love you.
Love you too, man. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
And yeah, dude.
And it wasn't like I enjoyed the process of everything. Like there were trips, going out to VidCon. Like it wasn't like
the experiences were enough.
Yeah, like I didn't. Yeah, for me the thing about this is growing up with each other, we were always at odds, and then over the years, like we've gotten closer. And I think seeing this, even though I don't feel like I deserve this, just knowing that you wanted to do this shows to me that our relationship has really rebounded from when we were kids. We're at a good spot right now, and that alone makes me happy.
And it's a big testament to you guys as well. To be able to have these moments is like truly a blessing. And not everyone gets to be close with their siblings, especially like, and then put on crazy shows and stuff for the internet. So it's like a very special thing. Thank you guys for helping nurture our relationship, really. And yeah, guys, thank you so much. Jeffrey's gonna sit with this. If you want to see him actually coming to terms with this, check out the second channel. Love you guys to death. Don't forget to keep it rigid.
How long have you been sitting here?
Couple hours. Couple hours.
Oh my God, that was so nice.
I know. I'm sorry that we cried like that. But oh my God, that was like the last thing I expected.
Well, we didn't expect any.
Well, no, there was a little thing in my mind. I thought, oh, is him and Ashley,
did they already get married or something and we don't know about it?
Oh my God, this was wonderful.
We're the luckiest parents in the world.
Yes,
really, we are.
Yes, and then look at that. That's a great ending picture. Oh man. Oh. Well, what do you think of?
I don't know what else to say. It's an amazing thing that Just did. He's got a heart of gold. His brother was always there for him. Yeah. And for him to recognize that with that is, perfect.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got no more because I'm starting to forget.
And I loved all the shots of those two together, and God, they're so handsome, aren't they? We got some handsome boys.
We do. Yeah. We're not ugly people.
Oh man.
But no, it was a good surprise because again, as Terry said, we didn't really have any idea. Oh, sorry. Let me pull that out of your ear. We had no idea what this was all about, and to see something like this it makes our evening. Yeah. So. Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you for watching and see us blubber. But again, as proud parents, it means the world. Yeah. So, I guess we can. Hey, everybody have a great night and a good life, because we really do have a great night and a good life. So. Yeah.
such a good kid.
Mm.
Oh God.